Hello everybody, welcome back to Smoke Red Barbecue's YouTube channel. We are gathered here today because we are doing a collaboration with a coworker I had on to do a video. I don't think she even realizes that I have a barbecue channel. I don't really mention it too much in the office, but what I was given from her was a whole jar of pickles. She gathered them from her garden and pickled them herself, and she has gave some throughout the office. So I have one for me, and I wanted to use it for a burger. Excuse me. And that's what we're doing. That's what we're going to do today. It's just going to be a monstrosity of pickles on this burger. Definitely overload, but sometimes overload is a good thing. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Any questions, let me know. I won't belabor the point. Cue the footage now. All right, it's losing sunlight fast, but going to get this going. This is an amazing, amazing burger. Going to give it a try. That's absolutely incredible. So crispy with all those pickles in there. Absolutely amazing. If you haven't tried this yet, do so. And again, this would not be possible without the cooperation from the community. Coworker gave me a lot of pickles. I was able to use them in what I do here, and we were able to share some of our garden, some of my wife's cut flower garden, with her. So it was a fun collaboration. It doesn't have to be planned. It can be spur of the moment, what have you. Don't let a good opportunity go to bless somebody else that you know, that you live with, that you care about. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great rest of your day. Keep barbecuing, America. Cheers.